This video guide is about removing the unwanted browser extension called Filmatory. The problem with this extension is that it is often presented as some fake Chrome update alert. You may see sudden pop-ups in your Google Chrome browser mentioning that you need to urgently install some update for your browser. So when people install this extension or install these fake Chrome update alerts, they actually install some unwanted third-party browser extensions like Filmatory. The developers indicate that this extension is something great for movie fans, but in reality, such extensions may function as adware by displaying numerous advertisements not related to the sites that people normally visit. Some extensions that are promoted through such fake browser update alerts may also hijack certain crucial browser settings. They may hijack the default homepage, default search engine, and other settings too. If you have discovered this Filmatory extension in your Google Chrome, it means that it came into your browser without your intention, so we recommend you to immediately get rid of it. Access the menu of your Chrome, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. When you find this Filmatory extension, disable and remove the extension. So this should be sufficient enough to get your system and browser fixed. I also recommend researching and investigating your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.